Okay, so there's the pump. You can see this pump looks like it's new. It's a 25 horsepower. Okay. This is the transformer for the machine. We took all the material we could when we took it out. Here's the machine. This here is where the air conditioner, that is it right here. We take it off so it gets in the door easier. So that is the air conditioner, hangs right on the gantry here for that. Keep the enclosure cool. This is your safety. That safety goes around the gantry. Okay, it bolts on right here. This is a cover for the floor for any electrical cords that used to go from the wall to the machine. The y-axis is secured using these. These go up against the stop. They go up against the stops over here. Okay. I'll take a wide view. We got the dust hose. This is the disconnect for the vacuum pump. All the pieces are inside. Okay. I can't open this. It's strapped. We got a 12 position tool changer. Okay. This strap is actually here to hold the gantry from moving. If we do it this way on anything we don't have the proper. Now, if I move this thing here, you can see the pendant is in here. Okay. We have the manuals. We have tool holders. We have gasketing material. We have some kind of Onsrud. Oh, this is a wiring schematic. Okay. This is more gasketing material right here. This is so we have, this machine is pretty complete. It has all the tool holders. It has really low hours. You can see the y-axis trapped there. This is this is the air conditioner. It has a couple hooks. It hooks on right like this. Then you bolt them in right here. There's 4 bolts. It's easy. It's done. But that is the machine. I'll get some photos.